Day by day and with each passing moment, strength I find to meet my trials here. Trusting in my Father's wise bestowment, I have cause for worry or for fear. He whose heart is kind beyond all measure, gives unto each day unto lovingly is part of pain and pleasure, mingling joy with peace and rest. Every day the Lord Himself is near me, with a special mercy for each hour. All my cares He fain would bear and cheer me, He whose name is Counselor and Power, the protection of His child and treasure, is the charge that on Himself He laid. As Thy grace I treasurely measure, this the pledge to me He made. In Taolle Samayadaru, Isuve Nimbali Bandevu, Nina Matalada Navu, Nina Ne Arasi Bandevu, Nama Mele Dayavidu Swami, Nina Karuneyannu Torisu, Nina Mele Dayavidu Swami, Nina Karuneyannu Torisu, Ninnane Rakshana